Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an important question from the Class 12 AHSEC English syllabus: how to write a formal letter to a bank manager reporting the loss of a passbook and requesting a duplicate one. This question was featured in the AHSEC Final Examination 2023, so make sure to watch till the end and get all the tips to write a perfect answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates and friends. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more exam tips and solutions. Best of luck, and see you in the next video.